Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a really chunky Corbin padlock, and there's a few interesting features about this lock actually. One is for a 60mm body, so 6 centimeters, which is about 2.5 inches if you're interested. It has a really thick shackle, I think about 12mm, which is really interesting, just under half an inch. And then the keyway is really tight, very tight keyway, so a lot tighter than your standard Yale keyway, very normal for sort of Corbin Italy. And then the key pins rest almost on the warding ledge down here, so there isn't much room for manoeuvre. It's 5 pins, very chunky shackle, shimmable if it wasn't for very tight tolerances. I don't think I could shim that. And then you've got 5 pins, so low, high, high, low, high. Picking it, well, we're just going to have to try and put in a turning tool which will allow me to get a small hook in there and go along. I think pin 1 here, binding. A little click. Pin 3 is binding here. And 2, I think, as well. 2 there. Try pin 5 at the back. Oh, yes, and we must have picked 4 at the same time, and we are open. Interestingly, this lock only turns 90 degrees. So I think, yeah, and interesting, 90 degrees and only anti-clockwise, which is interesting in itself. It doesn't have a free rotating shackle. What an unusual and very interesting lock. Super chunky shackle for its small body, tight keyway, not bad bitting, pretty good tolerances, and a strange 90-degree opening shackle. Yeah, pretty cool lock. Really nice one for the collection anyway. So, hope you liked that video. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Really helps me out. So you can smash that notification bell as well to be next notified when I upload content. If you have any comments about this lock, do you have one? Have you seen one? Let me know in the comments below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.